Here it's one of those cheap oscillating D-ends from the Home Depot. Pretty sure these come under a whole slew of different names nowadays. But I've been using this the past couple weeks just because it was available and easy accessed compared to some of the other items I have stuffed away in storage. And I noticed it's developed kind of an annoying sound, particularly on startup. At first I thought it sounded like the bearings were going. And I said, geez, that really didn't last too long at all. But I think, upon further evaluation, that the thing has just come loose. And it absolutely has. Now it's as quiet as it ever was. Well, it's odd. I'm not sure why that happened, but I'd rather that come loose than the bearings go bad.